how to find your connected Wi-Fi password and QR code on Android. This tutorial shows you how to view the password of your current Wi-Fi network and share it using a QR code. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. From there, tap on the network you are currently connected to. At this point, tap on the QR code icon or tap on View More to expand the network details. In the next step, tap on Show Password to reveal the actual Wi-Fi password for that network. Following this, you may be prompted to verify your identity using your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Go ahead and confirm. Once done, your Wi-Fi password will now be visible on screen. From here, you will also see a QR code that you can use to share the Wi-Fi connection instantly with another device without having to type the password manually. Finally, simply have the other device scan the QR code and it will connect to the same network automatically. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you find your Wi-Fi password and QR code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.